Hi everyone, today I'm going to be sharing with you my newest items from the website Farfetch. I have split this video into shoes and clothes, so if you haven't seen my Jimmy Choo shoe unboxing, I will leave that linked in the description box so you can check that out. I am so excited for lockdown to be over and I just cannot wait to be able to see people and dress up properly again and actually go out of my own house. So I really wanted to try out some brands that I had never had any items of. So this first dress really caught my attention. This is by a brand, Alice McCall, and her dresses, oh my god, she is so my vibe. I cannot believe it's taken me this long to find this woman. So this dress here, this lovely orange and white dress, it's a little mini dress actually, and it's flared here at the bottom. I will leave my Instagram linked as well so you can actually see this in pictures, because no doubt I'll have already posted a picture of this dress before you see this video. So yeah, this colour orange just really drew my attention. And I love the little sleeve details on it as well. It is like a heavy, but in a good way, like the quality is all there. And the pattern is just so unique. It's just such a pop of colour that I absolutely love it. And I think I mentioned this before, but orange always makes me look a lot more tanned. I feel like I'm losing all my tan now that we didn't get any holidays in 2020. So yeah, this orange dress, just fabulous. I'll definitely be checking out more of the Alice McCall dresses, and a good few of these were actually under 200 as well. So they are on the more affordable side of Farfetch if you're interested. The mini dresses in particular you can get for around 200 to 250, which is really good. I will leave links in the description box as well if you want to shop any of these looks. Moving on, so the next dress I bought is from Reformation. Now I have heard of this brand before and I've had a look at some of their pieces before, but I've never actually purchased from them. So this was the first dress that I tried, and obviously it is going to be a linen dress. They are so well known for their quality of linen dresses that this was just a no-brainer for the summer. So the first dress here is lovely sweetheart neckline, which is really cute. I think that's adorable. I love that. And it has the lovely sleeve detail here. You'll see this on my Instagram in pictures anyway, so if you're interested in checking that out. I know it's difficult to see on camera as well, but this is a midi length. And what I love about it as well is that it is fully lined, which is something that is a big pet hate of mine when it comes to dresses and linen especially. I want things to be fully lined. I don't want to have to see any kind of skin through the dress, because I just don't like that kind of a look. I just like to be able to go out in the dress and not be worried about people being able to see visible panty line or any bras or anything like that. So this is just perfect. This colour and red, if I'm not mistaken, they had this in red as well, but I had to go for the white. You guys know I love white dresses. I probably have something quite similar to this in my wardrobe if I could think about it now, but I cannot say no to a white dress. That's just always been the case with me. I don't know what it is about white dresses and me. I just wanted to mention as well that I haven't really been feeling that much in the shops lately, and not being able to actually go into a shop and look at the clothes is really starting to affect me more now. Like, with 9 months, 10 months being in lockdown now, I feel like I've seen everything that's online, so I just keep going into the new in section. So that is just a tip for anyone that is online shopping. If you feel like you've seen stuff already, just go to the new in section, and that will be the best for what's new and what you haven't seen before as well. I'm more of an in-store shopper myself. I just like that experience, but I've had to adjust for the lockdown, as we all did. So that is both dresses that I picked up from Farfetch this month. Do let me know what you think in the comments, and give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it as well. But yeah, a small haul for today, but I am sure I will be doing more shopping very soon. So if you enjoy luxury fashion, please do subscribe to my channel as well, because I would love to have you here. And as always, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.